Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. What happens when many countries come together at one church? An unforgettable afternoon of food, culture, and fellowship. Parishioners came together to share their heritage, their recipes, and their faith at the Church of the Annunciation. We traveled around the world without ever leaving the church, and every stop was delicious. So grab your passport. We're taking a trip around the world, one bite at a time. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I'm at my church, and we're at the International Food Festival, and I just took some pictures of all the tables. There's so many different ones. There's the Cuban, there's the Filipino, there's the Italian. I can't remember, but there's a lot of them. And my friend Janice and I, we have the dessert table. So stay tuned. I'm going to give you a little tour, and this is a great fundraiser for the church. I'll see you soon. And here's Janice.
Yes, and here's Dolores, our Baking Diva.
And we made all these delicious desserts
Yeah,
for everyone.
Church of Annunciation.
So hopefully by the end of the day, we're going to be all sold out.
We have all these beautiful desserts for the fundraiser.
Right, yes. Okay, so we'll see you later. This is the dessert table. So here are the strawberry brownies I made. And here we have the lemon brownies. And we have pistachio. And over here we have red velvet. We have some cookies. And Janice made cupcakes. So we're all set. So I'm going to walk around, and I am going to buy some tickets and have lunch. Stay tuned. All right, so this is where you buy your tickets. It's $1 for one ticket. And who do I have here? Kathy.
Joan.
And Joan.
You already took me.
Oh, okay. And they are going to be selling the tickets. And this is a fundraiser for the church. And there's so many different tables here with different nationalities of food. So I'm looking forward to digging in. So I'll be over in a little while to buy some tickets. Bye.
They're ready. The tickets are ready.
All right. Well, here I am at the International Food Festival at our church. So I'm going to walk around and let's see what kind of tables we have. It's a bright sunny day, but it's very windy. Oh, so who do I have here?
Hi, I'm Anna Study, and this is my sister Mary.
Anna and Mary. And your table is what?
The Cuban table.
The Cuban table. Oh, I see the sign over here. Everyone purchases tickets. This is a fundraiser. And then they go to each table and they use the tickets they purchased for what they want to buy. So what did you ladies make?
We have a staple dish from Cuba, which is shredded beef, white rice, and fried plantains. And then for a little dessert, we have guava puffs.
Oh, let me go over here and see that. Let me see what they look like. Oh, what are they called?
Guava puffs.
Guava puffs. They look good. Oh, what is that over
then
there?
A little treat over here for a little mojito.
Oh, that's for the adults.
Finish the meal.
Oh, okay, yes. The mojitos. And here's the little sign they made for how many tickets everything is. So everything is looking delicious. So thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
I'll be over later to buy something.
Everybody come visit.
Yes, come visit the Cuban tent. All right, bye. And here we have, what tent is this? Well, I guess this
United States of America.
Oh, the USA tent. And I see here they have, beef brisket platter, brisket tacos. And this is Matt. Hi, Matt. Now, are you the organizer of this affair?
Organizer of this event.
Well, this is my first time here. I came with my friend Janice, so I'm looking forward to it. It looks like a lot of fun. And who do we have over here?
I'm Michelle.
Michelle.
I'm running in Armenian corner.
Oh, she's got the Armenian. Let me see. Oh, I'm not too familiar with the Armenian food. Tell me what you are serving.
Today I brought tomato salad. So basically it's made out of cracked wheat and tomatoes.
Oh, okay.
It's a little spicy, but it's good and refreshing.
Okay, great. Well, I'll be over to visit you later. You're going to be on YouTube, you know.
Okay.
All right, bye. And what table do we have over here?
Puerto Rico.
Oh, the Puerto Rican table. Let me get over here and see. Oh, here we go. And oh, look at this. What is that? Is that bread pudding?
Bread pudding.
They have bread pudding, and they have, what is this?
Arroz con gandules, which is red.
Let me get you in there. What is that?
That is red rice with green peas, which are pigeon peas. And we include ham, there's rice, and it has peppers, onions.
Sounds delicious. What is your name?
My name is Aris.
Aaron. Okay. Well, I'll be over to see you later. And who do we have over here?
Jada.
What's your name?
Jada.
Jada. Oh.
My granddaughter.
Oh, that's her granddaughter. And here we have the rice is 4 tickets and the bread pudding is 3 tickets. Sounds good. I'm dying to try that bread
I want
pudding.
you to see
Oh,
the
yes.
finished product. Here you go. I'll show you the finished product.
She's going to show me the finished oh, look at
That's the bread pudding.
That looks good.
And then I have some individual containers.
Yeah, I see
someone
that.
wants to take home.
Oh.
And then this is the rice.
This is the rice over here.
Made.
Mmm. It's a little shady because we're under tents. Oh, that smells good too. All right, well, I'll be over to see you later.
Okay, bye-bye.
And what table are we having here? We're not set up yet. Oh, let me move over. And who do we have here? This is the Filipino table. And what is your name, sir?
Reggie.
Reggie. And you are?
Richard.
Richard. And let me move over here.
Hi, I'm Len.
Len, and who is this?
Oh, I'm Edwin.
Edwin, and what? Oh, look at this.
These are like banana. It's a dessert. It has like pine.
They smell good. Yeah.
This one is like
Oh, what's inside those?
pork.
Pork. Very good. They look good. And who do we have back there hiding?
My mom,
Ah.
Marina.
Oh, okay. All right. And what is this?
This is a drink, a sweetened drink. It has.
Here.
Oh, let me get close. Oh, I never heard of it. Does it have alcohol in it?
Is that like pearl?
Is it for
Mama pearls.
is it for
Mama
the
pearls.
adults or the children?
It's for the children. It's
Oh,
a
okay.
sweet drink.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I'll be over to see you later. You're gonna be on YouTube. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. And who do we have here? What table is this? The Italian table? I have to get you in here too. Let me see. Who do I have here? Is this your table?
Our table.
Oh, it's and what is your name?
Enza.
Okay. And your name?
Josephine.
And your name? Daniela. Oh, this looks. Oh, everything looks so good. And what do you have in here? You don't have to open it.
Sausage and peppers.
Oh, sausage. I'm Italian, so I'll be over at this table. Oh, nice. Sausage and peppers. And what's this? Cheese. What's in this one? Cheese and rice?
This is arancina.
Yeah, rice
Oh, the cheese, the balls, right?
Yeah.
The rice balls?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You want to take a picture?
What did you
Oh,
say
yeah.
she was bringing? Oh, she's bringing chicken.
Oh, look at those.
Yeah, but
Oh,
then
I'll
she
be
doesn't
over here.
come with something different, right?
Very nice. All right, ladies.
Okay,
Oh,
and
what
we
is
have
this
Armenian
over here?
Cavatelli with broccoli.
Oh, my God. You have all my favorites.
Yes.
We're all
All my
We're
favorites.
all right off the boat.
Oh, cavatelli and broccoli.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
gosh.
So put this over.
Have it a little.
Very
bit.
nice. And what is this? Oh, that's a different table over here?
No, it's still more.
Oh.
That's meatballs. That's another
Vegetable
pasta
pasta
Oh,
salad.
my goodness. Looks delicious.
Josephina made it.
Very nice. Now, do we know who's over here?
That's a meatball sandwich.
No. Is this the same table?
Yes.
Oh, my gosh. You ladies have been busy. And what is your name?
Lisa.
Lisa. What did you make, Lisa?
Meatballs. We have meatball
Meatballs.
sandwiches.
Oh, wow. Oh, she's got meatballs. Yes, you're going to be on YouTube.
This looks really
That looks
good.
delicious.
All the vegetables.
I'll see you later. Well, I didn't even see this brisket hiding behind here. I'm going to get my tickets and coming back for some brisket. It sure looks good. Yeah, it looks delicious.
9 hours.
9 hours. Oh, I'm going to get my tickets now before it's gone. They smoked it. It took 9 hours. Wow. Here's Matt, who made the brisket. Oh my goodness, that is unbelievable. My grandson loves brisket.
Oh, good.
He would wish he was here. And you smoked it?
Yes.
Yeah.
About 10 hours.
Wow.
So yeah.
Yeah. Looks really good.
Thank you.
All right.
Want any bread or?
Just one piece.
Yeah, one piece.
That's
and then
good.
I have pickles. You like pickles or no?
Yeah, no, I'm good. Just
Okay.
that. All right. Hi, everybody. Hi. You having fun? Yeah.
We have more food.
Good. Now, who did all the cooking? Everybody cooked?
Yeah.
And everybody likes your food?
Yeah.
That's good.
Ate the food.
All right. Well, I'm going to put you on YouTube on the video. Okay. Do you know what gulaman is? Well, it is a refreshing Filipino drink, and it's made with jello and pearls. It's a popular drink sold by many street vendors in the Philippines. It contains no alcohol, so it's good for the kids, and I gave it a try, and it was very good and refreshing. Here they are.
So we raised. The winner will get $100.
Alrighty.
All right, we raised 200, so 100 will go to the church. 100 will go to the winner.
Sounds good. Drum roll. Dun, da, da, da.
827 833. 827.
Where's the winners?
833.
Yay! We got a winner! Woo! All right! Woohoo!
She's donating it back to the church.
Oh, good. All right. Well, all good things must come to an end. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the food from all the different countries. And for those parishioners who made the food, thank you so much. And a big thank you for those that came to support the event and bought the food. So happy Father's Day to those that celebrate, and I will see you soon. Toodles!